Swoop, swoop, swoop. See, bitch, that's a damn swoop. That shit's.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I'm going to show you how to turn this massive afro into an afro puff, and also how to slay those edges, girl. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the video. So first, I use a dimming brush. You can purchase this brush from Sally's. They are $10 and I say it's worth the buy. I do not detangle my hair unless I have this brush, and I have several of these around because they tend to get lost. So to quickly detangle my hair, I like to go to my bathroom and run the brush underneath the faucet so it makes it easier to detangle. Okay, next I'm using Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer, so that way when I use the gels it won't be so hard, dry, or flaky, and that way it can kind of balance each other out. And also making sure I coat the ends as well. Okay, now I'm taking Motion Mousse and applying that to my hair. This is going to help me mold my hair and also define my curls. And I must add that it's very lightweight. Now I'm taking Eco Styling Gel. This is in the scent Coconut. This is something my cousin gave me. I just love that she give me products that she don't want. Honey, I mean, I get products for days. But anywho, I'm taking this gel. This is in the number 10, so it has the maximum hold. And then I'm taking this duo brush that I purchased from Walmart. This is a great brush. It helps me smooth my hair down on one end and detangle it on the other, and it's a very good brush. Now I'm taking this belt from an old pair of pants that I used to have back in the day, and I use it to pull my hair into a nice tight ponytail. Not too tight though, because we want those edges. Taking the Edge Effect Edge Control in the number 5 from Magic Collection. This is a good edge control, and I'm using a toothbrush to swoop my edges, pumping a little bit more of that mousse. I kind of do like a rough sketch at first to bring the hairs forward, because I feel like if you try to do the edges first, in my opinion, it's going to be harder to correct any mistake. So I like this kind of use this as a guideline, and when I make mistakes, just brush it back into the ponytail. But with the edge control, it's almost like that's more permanent, you know, because it's harder to start over, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking that edge control, placing some of my fingers and going over those areas and making sure they just stay in place this time around. Okay, and here's where I'm making the swoop. As you can see, I'm taking that finger, holding it down while I'm using the toothbrush to make the C motion. So the other finger that's behind the toothbrush is stabilizing the swoop. I believe the further out you bring the hair, the more dramatic it will be. And there is no right or wrong way. It's just basically your preference on how bold you want your edges to be. And sometimes you'll see me taking a small comb just to make sure it's more defined, because with the brush it just smooths it down, but with the comb it untangles the hairs.
Swoop! Swoop! See that shit? Swoop! Swoop! See, bitch, that's a damn swoop. That shit's.
Okay, now I'm taking my cap and wrapping it along my edges and my puff, and I'm allowing this to sit for a couple of minutes. And this is what we call baking, so that way the edges can be flat and secure. And that is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And let me know what other videos you would like to see next. And I'll catch you later. Peace.